butterflies. Gorgeous morning. Yeah. Get out, relax on the lake. Well, we're at the lake. I guess I forgot to really show my little house here, what I've created just to get out camping, and works now, so I'll take you for a little tour. So it's quite roomy, queen size bed, comb here. This lifts up, makes into a full 5-foot long table. There's foams on there. I put windows in here, and I put sliders. I cut sliders into the lumber, so works all right. Much here. I put a few little things up here for storage and stuff, and in the front for towels and extra dry goods. So with, you know, campers, depends on where you're at. So I've got yeah, I have a little power plant up back with me, Keurig machine. This here duals is my table. I have water supply in here, 10 gallons, so I can take a container and heat water, pour a little hot water into one of those jugs, and hook that up. I've got power supply, 12-volt pump, hose, goes out the back, and I've got a little trap door there. Fits tight to keep the dust out. Hose comes out there. So, and all should be equipped with porta potty, just in case you're on the road. You need it. Easy to clean, easy to dump out. So again, just a little more storage there. And roof vent, just gets too warm. So pretty simple, pretty basic. Gives me lots of storage space underneath. Was all repurposed part of a door out of an old camper, which was a small camper at one time. And yeah, just by own design, it will fit on. It's not that heavy. It'll fit on a 1/2-ton truck, as long as it's a long box. You got an 8-foot box, makes a big difference. So it's pretty basic, just a trailer, compartments, store stuff, boat motors, my electric motor, my batteries, and storage in here. I put 2 jugs of water on each side, and fuel, extra fuel, and back here all kinds of storage all the way through. Oh, extra carrier for spare tire. This side here, always pack a little bit of dry wood, more containers, and that's where the generator goes. This side here is there's a lot of room, tools, and you can see we have jerry cans, fuel, extra fuel in case you're on a long trip someplace. Yeah, more storage, containers, and boat rack there. So you've seen videos with the boat on it. And then I built the box because the boat doesn't take up the whole trailer. I built the box, life jackets, fishing rods, awning poles, dip net, yeah, all kinds of good stuff. So table, we'll have, it goes in the back of the truck. And didn't show you the fire pit I built for the trips. Then it folds up. It's all hinged. It's all hinged on the corners. Just take a little bolt out and it all folds up. So yeah, that's pretty much pretty simple little rig. Extra propane storage and spare tires, just you on a long trip, never hurts to have. So I've not quite done building with the camper. I do have a few little things that I want to do to it, but for the most part, rides nice. It's light. Trailer pulls nice. You don't even know the trailer's behind you. It's yeah, nice here. Beautiful spot. But, so I figured I would kind of show you what I built and what I travel with. So I'm not burning a lot of fuel pulling a big camper. It works out all right, but that is a wrap on my home away from home.